Hey, I'm Sanjay, UI UX designer, and I want to welcome you to your Habitat admin panel, the central hub where you can manage all your students' information and keep track of everything in one place. When you log in, you'll see the homepage with usage reports, tracking metrics, and the main tools you'll be using: create new users, and manage licenses.
So I can actually add students right from here?
Exactly. You can create new users whenever you need to, so your students always have access to the services they need.
And what about the students I already have?
That's where Manage Users comes in. You can see a full list of your students, what plans they're on, their services they're using, and even their note-taking history.
Nice, so I get an overview plus the individual details too?
Right. Then there's Manage Licenses. This gives you a clear overview of your license tiers, how many seats are in use, and what's available. You can also keep track of both active and past licenses.
Okay, but what if I need to make changes like adjusting the number of seats?
No problem. The Licenses panel makes it easier to add or remove seats so your licenses always match your needs.
Got it. And if I want to set things up for a group instead of handling students one by one?
You can create groups, assign students to them, and set their plans all at once. It saves a ton of time when you're managing larger classes.
That's awesome. Sounds like everything's built in to keep things simple.
Exactly. The admin panel is designed to give you the tools you need to stay organized and in control without making it complicated.